Welcome to Oak Island. I'm Cris Young on the air. The most common question I get is, when should I turn my system on? Some people wait till the house gets hot and then they try to catch up. That's the worst thing to do, because if you wait to turn the system on, now everything in the house is hot and the system struggles to keep up. Sometimes it can't keep up. We call that thermal mass overload. That means furniture, counters, everything is warm. Set your temperature in the morning. You know the comfort level you would like. Let the system maintain it gently throughout the day, and you'll find that your minutes of operation, your cost of operation is going to be less. So as you go through your summer, temperature maintenance is the key to efficiency. Temperature maintenance is the key to your system performing at its best. So in just a brief recap, pick a temperature, set the temperature, and enjoy your summer.
You can call Oak Island.